What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B. Hey, this morning it is 7:55. Y'all see it. I'm going ahead to meet up with my dude Bogey Biker, and we're going to discuss a ride that we have coming up for November the 9th. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get on the highway, baby. Let's roll. A bit of a cold start right here. All right, let's get it. That sound never gets old to me right there. What's up, man? Man, it is Texas OU weekend. For those that don't know about college football, Texas and OU is a rivalry, man. So I see a lot of Oklahoma plates that's over here, and that's one reason this traffic is already heavy at this time of morning, man. But yeah, it's going on, but it ain't. Ooh, look at the beautiful sunrise over there. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm about 20 some minutes out, y'all. Company and the time, and talk about this trip, baby. Woo, I love this. Woo, yeah. So we have made it into Waxahachie, Texas. Waxahachie, however you want to say it. We here. We're about a mile, 1.6 miles from the exit down here. I haven't been down this way in a while. Supposed to be like 92 today. Gonna be a little hot, but it ain't gonna be bad. It ain't 106, you know what I'm saying? Man, Khrome sounds so good, dude, and I'm loving what man, y'all just don't know. I'm thankful. Oh my God, boy, that road messed up right there. We're gonna turn right here. I had a big old dip right there. It should be right up here. There it is, right there. You can see it right there. That's the restaurant. We're meeting at right here. So y'all, let me find out where they park at, man. And I'm not sure. We're gonna bust a U-right in this gas station, go back around. Y'all look at the old gas pumps right there. Look at that right there. Oh, that's nice. Y'all see that? Little history down here. Preload, keep it loaded, baby. Look at that, man. I love them. We are here, y'all. We are here. We can get out the hoodie now. Well, I'm here. Y'all know I'm early, man. I still got 30 minutes waiting on my dude, Mr. Bogey, to get here. And yeah, I got a nice little park for him when he get here. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, but that's the restaurant that we're going to right there. Nice little restaurant. I think somebody recommended that restaurant to him. He gonna have to make a loop. He didn't even see me. Look at it. Mr. Bogey Biker. How you doing, man?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good.
Been here long?
I got here by 9:30.
Okay.
You know. I knew that when you coming, I heard them tab performance.
There you go.
How you doing,
brother? How are you?
I'm good, man.
Good to see you.
I had to put a hoodie on too, man. It was cool this morning. Yeah. Yeah, man. I love that right there, man. I just ordered another one, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like that one. Nice.
Well,
another badge.
Yeah. Yeah, I just put that on my Road King.
Okay. So how you liking the Saddlemen, man?
Man, I love it.
Yeah, they some great seats, man.
I put it on like the week before we went to Sturgis. Yeah. But I bought it used. You know,
hey, it's still in good shape.
And man, it looks brand new, but I swear he must have broken it in because that's so.
It's perfect.
I haven't had a pain since we rode it to Sturgis, and that was like the first trip I went on it.
And I'm telling you, right out the box, they comfortable though.
Are they?
Yes, yes, right out the box. So yeah, man.
I really like that.
Yeah.
That honeycomb deal there. Is that a new design for them?
Yeah, that's a new design.
Yeah.
It's a new design right there. He's talking about the honeycomb seat right here, y'all. So yeah, we finna go in here. Hopefully we can get a seat in here and go eat. So hey. Smell what we smell. Hey man, y'all need to check this place out right here. Great food, y'all. So me and Bogey, we sat here and we talked about the next ride, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for the next ride for November the 9th. That's a Saturday. We're gonna give y'all more information on it. So yeah, it's gonna be nice, y'all. But yeah, I done been to Waxahachie, y'all, but I'm always on 35, but I never been downtown area, man. It's pretty nice down here. So, yeah. Yes, sir.
Man, the one on the left?
Yeah, the black one is mine.
One with the red striping on the cushion?
Yeah, that's me.
Oh man, that's a badass bike.
Appreciate it, man.
Man, how much horsepower or CCs are you pushing?
I'm pushing 140. 60? I'm 140 horse, 150 torque.
Yeah, I saw that carb, I was like, that's sweet. And I looked at it, I was like, man, this thing is gonna scream.
Yeah, y'all, appreciate it, man.
Yeah, I used to have a Street Bob with a big bore kit, 110 big bore kit. Man, I love the thing, but you're talking about fourth gear, you do 120, fifth gear, 120.
Right.
You go over 120 with the Governor.
Yeah.
But some good looking bikes there.
Appreciate it, man.
Don't take it easy.
Yes, sir. Man, it's a bunch of bikes down here, dude. Everywhere I look, man. Look at that. They got bikes going there. It's everywhere, y'all. People are loving this seat, Mr. Buster from Saddlemen. So yeah, it's comfortable too, man. I mean, that boy it's more comfortable than my tuck and roll seat.
Is it?
Yeah. You can sit on it if you want to, man. It's very comfortable. Let me give you the key because that alarm gonna go off.
Oh yeah.
So yeah. It's very comfortable, man. You might even like the bar setup. You'll be.
Well, I do. I know I like the bar setup.
I know you like that bar setup. That feels good.
It feels so good.
It's so comfortable going down the road, man.
I just look at the Thrashin. Is this, you got the Thrashin, is that the high bend?
Yes, the high bend. I want the high bend.
And but the Arlen Ness riser?
All the Ness riser.
Did you do the install yourself?
No, Black Gold did it for me. So yeah.
Man, that is so much. That just feels like you got more control.
It's a whole lot more control.
And that seat.
I love the seat, man.
Man, I've never sat on one like this.
Yeah.
Just that little thing gives you something to push back and get up and almost.
And I like it for riding around town when I'm solo. So yeah. But it's even comfortable on long rides too. Yeah. That's the thing. So like to say, the road silver for me is when I do them 17-hour rides and when my wife get on there. Okay. So yeah.
Yeah.
Love it, man. That bike heavy too, man.
It cost me money. I'm gonna have to get this.
Hey, if you took it for a ride around there, you'll feel the control you have on that thing. Yeah. That's what I originally wanted from the jump when I first got my bike. I didn't want to spend the money. Now I went back and redid everything that I wanted to do. Yeah. So yeah. Man. What's up, everybody? Y'all already know who it is. Hey, we got my dude, Mr. Bogey, biker with me, y'all.
Howdy, folks.
Hey, man, we are down here in Waxahachie, whatever you want to call it. But we just had a great breakfast this morning, and we're here to talk about a ride, y'all. If you're interested, hey, we're gonna give you more detail, but this is just kind of throw it out there right now. And yeah, man, we're gonna go ride the sisters, man, the Twisted Sisters. I told you it was coming. And it's coming, y'all. It's here, and we finna get it done. Yeah. So the date is November the 9th. If you're interested, I know it's right after the Lone Star Rally, pretty much. But hey, we gonna ride, dude. That's what we do. That's how we met, and we're gonna keep riding. So, you got anything to tell them, Mr. Bogey?
Yeah, man. We just had a great breakfast, and you know, Kelly B and I wouldn't have met if it wasn't for motorcycles. So we're hoping to meet a lot of you. Yeah. You know. We're trying to build the Texas motorcycle community, but we want you riding in from out of state. Yeah. We love watching all the YouTube channels all over the country. We don't see too many in Texas, so if you're a YouTuber, if you're a viewer, if you just love motorcycles, man, come join us. We like to have fun. Yeah. We like to meet new people. And I like being in the company of celebrities like Kelly B. So yeah, man, we hope you can join us. We're gonna have a good time regardless.
Yeah, we're gonna have a good time.
So
y'all, hey man, if you're interested, we'll get you to some more details. We're gonna stay in Curryville, Texas, but we'll talk to you a little bit more after that when we get everything down. What hotel we'll be staying at. Couple of meetup spots that's in Leakey, because Bogey has already rode it. I'm glad that he's going, because he can show me around, and so teach all of us around. So come and join us, y'all. So it's gonna be a great ride. And
me and the Rusty Bolts about a year ago, we did the Twisted Sisters. I got a whole series on that, so you can go check that out. But yeah, it's a cool place in Texas if you haven't been around Leakey and Kerrville and all that stuff. So we hope you can join us. It's gonna be a great time.
Yes, sir. Hey, this ain't Run to the Hill, but this is a Texas Riders right here. We're gonna do the Twisted Sisters, man. So y'all stay tuned for more information, and we definitely gonna get back with you. And again, I want to thank my man Bogey for inviting me here at this nice restaurant, y'all. Great food, y'all. If you ever in Waxahachie, you need to check this place out. I put a link down in the description, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to my man Bogey channel. Hey, let's get us Texas guy over that 10,000 mark, man. Man. We out here making pretty good content. I feel like we are, y'all. If you hadn't checked out his Sturgis, hey, you gotta check it out, man. 8 videos. Yeah. Awesome riding, man.
Every day.
Awesome riding. So this man rides, so I know he's a rider. So y'all stay tuned, y'all. Y'all already know. Until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. And more information is coming. We out. Peace. Right.